everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. If you've never seen these big old cheeks before, then do consider subscribing before you leave, and also thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button just to let me know that you guys like this kind of content. Okay, so for today's video we have a new Boxycharm. It's for the month of March. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size items for $21 a month. If you have not signed up for Boxycharm before, then the link is going to be listed down below in the description box. So we've got our Boxycharm for March, and I'm hoping they gave us some good stuff for spring. If you're new to my Boxycharm unboxings, welcome. I'm Alex, like I said earlier, and I do not watch spoilers because I want to be just as surprised as you guys when I open up my box. So I'm going to go ahead and open my box, and I did not pre-cut this. That was not smart at all. So I'm going to take a pair of, what was this, nail clippers? And open this up. Okay, so let's see what we've got inside. Each month they give us a theme, so let's see what this month's theme is. And I'm already seeing some amazing stuff. Okay, so this month's theme is La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. I hope I'm saying that right. I believe this is French, and my French speaking people, please correct me if I said it wrong. And as always, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products, and we've got some big, this is an expensive box. This is an expensive box this month. I'm already seeing something cost $45. The box itself is $21 a month. I say this every single time. Like, you get so much bang for your buck. Okay, so I'm seeing the first thing out of here to pull out is from MODA. I just did a review for MODA. Like, MODA is one of my favorite brush brands. You guys already know that their stuff is amazing. And apparently this one in this month's Boxycharm is the MODA Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Ooh. This retails for $29.99. So if you're new to MODA or you've never tried the brand and you've heard me talk about them forever, then this is a great way. If you sign up for your Boxycharm and you've got the month of March, then this is a great way to try them out. So apparently this dynamic duo is a 2-piece brush set, and it's supposed to give you or help you achieve a graceful and glamorous look. These brushes have, from what I'm seeing, these rose tapered handles. And this is so cool. This is an exclusive set between MODA and Boxycharm. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. So these two brushes, we've got a soft glow blush, which is great for putting on highlighter. And the next one is just a powder brush, so you can definitely use it for translucent powder or any powder you like. Oh, man. Wow. Do y'all see this handle? This, oh, it's a beautiful, like, rose gold, more so rose handle and ferrule. Look at this brush. Oh man, and you guys know MODA makes some of the softest brushes ever, synthetic fibers. That's awesome. Again, these are 100% vegan. This is a beautiful powder brush. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. Look at this. Look at them. Wow, this is so nice. I cannot wait. Oh, so soft. But all of MODA brushes are always soft, so I cannot wait to use these. That's amazing. We're started. We're off to a great start, you guys. Remember what I said last unboxing? I was like, they better bring it, because summer's coming. And so far, it's been pretty good. Okay, next huge thing in here is by Wonder Beauty. Wonder Beauty, I think I was introduced to them inside of my January Boxycharm. Anyway, it was a Boxycharm where we got some eye patches. Those are really cool. So this apparently is a lift-off, purifying, and brightening peel-off masks. And this retails for $34. And it contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, green leaf, and all that good stuff. And it's supposed to be a peel-off mask that instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. So definitely interested in trying this. I like a good peel-off mask, even though I like clay masks. So peel-offs are really good too. They're really easy, you know, just peel it off and you're good to go. Your skin looks amazing. So can't wait to try this. I love the packaging. Beautiful colors. So next up, we have this gold item right here. What is this? This is by a brand called Appeal, and it's a liquid eyeshadow. It's gold. And let's see a little bit about this. This is from Appeal Cosmetics, the liquid eyeshadow, like I said, and it retails for $21 a month. Apparently, it's this highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow that you apparently need. So I'm going to open this so we can swatch this and see what this is like. Go away. Why do I have so much static cling. Okay. Now, I'm not that much of a fan of liquid. Oh. Ooh. Oh, nice. It's like a chunky glitter. That's what this has going on. A little bit of a scent to it. Not feeling that, not feeling that, not feeling scents, but you could probably see the gold better when I do my hand like that, and then the reflection. So this is great for if you're going to do like a cut crease, that kind of thing, and you want that really nice, bold gold standout. But yeah, it's more of a chunky glitter. Very cool to the touch, but that scent, it kind of goes away once it starts to dry down, but I'm not feeling that. So yeah, we're gonna take this off. But it's a beautiful gold color. Very, very nice. So if you like chunky glitter and you like a big, you know, spot of gold on the eye, then that's a really good thing to have. Now, Boxycharm always has like well-known brands and some brands we've never heard of before. So one of the things I like about them, so you can discover new brands as well. So the next thing I'm pulling out, OFRA! OFRA got some new packaging. This is really pretty. So what is this, OFRA? Long-lasting liquid lipstick. Oh, they always send us really nice liquid lipsticks. I'm wondering if they changed the packaging of this. I haven't been on OFRA's site for a while. So this is an old packaging of a liquid lipstick, and this might be the new packaging. This is in the color MONACO. Oh, nice. This retails for $20. $20. The box is $21 a month. You see where I'm going here? Do you see where I'm going? Do you see the steps that we're taking in order for you to get amazing beauty products every single month without having to spend buku's amount of money? Like, sign up for Boxycharm, guys. Seriously. So, let's see. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's more like a metallic-y color. So it's like a rose metallic shade. Do you see that? That is beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to wear this. That's so nice. I'm not a fan of the applicator. It is a doe foot applicator. Not too much of a fan of it for this type of color or like texture, but it's very beautiful. That is a beautiful color, guys. Cannot wait to wear that. What am I wearing now? I'm wearing a different color. I'm going to put this on because it's very pretty and I need it. I'm gonna wipe off what I have on now. I can't even remember what I have on. I wear so much like colors. Let's see. It's pretty. This is very, very beautiful. And just why I said I didn't like the applicator. Like, it's a doe foot applicator, but for this type of color, it picks up too much. So you can go from really cute to 80s real fast. Yeah, this is beautiful. I like it. You can definitely tone a color like this down with a lip liner. I ain't got time for that today, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the lips and how it feels. I can feel it drying down. I can feel that. Feel that very much. But it's not painful or it's not, you know, uncomfortable. I can just feel it drying down, but it's a beautiful color. Definitely more so I'd use this as a topper than anything, and then basically tone it down sorry, with a lip liner, but it's really pretty. I like it. It's beautiful. So the last thing we have in here is by COVERFX, and this is the most expensivest thing in here. This is the COVERFX Perfector Face Palette, and it has 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. Retails for $45. The palette looks like this. Very nice and sleek, and I've got makeup on it already. So, where is this makeup coming from? I don't want to ruin this because the packaging is so nice. I've got makeup everywhere. Welcome to my world. So we're gonna open this. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. I don't want to blind you, but I also want you to see what we've got going on. This is so nice. However, none of these colors in here are gonna work for me. Oh my goodness. So I got a fluffier brush, right? Just to see what we can use. Because right now it's looking like I can't use any of it and I'm out of hands. Let's put some, let me put something here. It's not showing up. I'm so pissed. Oh, I picked up the blush. You can see it on there. Blush is freaking ashy. Do you see that? Okay, so the most expensivest thing in the palette I can't use because the colors are too stinking light. Like, you can't even see them like that. This is annoying. But it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Perfector face palette. Unfortunately, the colors in here are too... Well, that's why. It says light to medium. Jeez. So medium deep would have been way better because it has deeper shades for moi. So, yeah. I got the light to medium version, and this doesn't work. It's way too light. Nothing shows up. So it's definitely going to go to one of my lighter peeps who can definitely take advantage of this. So I'm definitely disappointed. Yeah. Really disappointed because the deeper one looks really, really pretty. Like, amazingly pretty. And I don't get to try that. I'm sad. I'm very sad. You guys know I express myself on here. But so far, okay. So this month's box definitely would be a good box for, well, it depends on what version you got, first of all. But without me being disappointed at the COVERFX palette, I'd say this is a good box. I give this box an 8. I give this box an 8 because the OFRA lippy was really nice. And the two brushes from MODA, of course, you guys know I'm obsessed with MODA, so these are a given. I'm really excited about that. Pretty interested in the peel-off mask, that's one thing. And then the little, you know, gold eyeshadow, I think that's something you can play with. If you want to use it for highlighter, you can. If you want to put it on your eyes, you can. But really, really was looking forward, man, to using this. And I can't because it's too light. They sent me the light and medium one and not the deep one. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to stop rambling and ranting. I'm definitely going to go ahead and enjoy my new MODA brushes. Super excited about that. Oh, I do have a coupon code for MODA. Check down in the description box for it if you want to go on the website and check that out. But these two brushes, apparently, according to the paperwork, these are exclusive to Boxycharm. So super excited. If you got these, let me know down in the comment section. If you like this month's box, let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this month's box, if you've signed up for Boxycharm, and if you've got this month's box already. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, guys.